I've been using a website called CoinWise, and I've been sharing some screenshots, and I wanted to just do a quick video and explain uh, how to use it. It's a free app. I have a membership, but I have a free membership. It's coinwise.net. When you go to the website, you'll see all the different coins. You've got volume, market cap, open interest, the change in open interest. You can sort uh, based on these metrics, which is really nice. So CHR, you can see, has a large increase in open interest. And so immediately you want to say, okay, well, what's going on with CHR? Right? You can come in, you can look at liquidations, and you can look at these charts. And I have my template saved. So I come in here, and essentially what I have here is this is the chart. This is like your normal price chart. Aggregated open interest. This is all of the data available showing open interest. Open interest is the number of contracts that are open. You've got aggregated CVD futures. This is perps. These are trading contracts uh, for the coin. Aggregated CVD spot. And so when you look at this, like you're gonna see, you've got Binance, Kraken, Poloniex, and it's joining all the data from uh, these different sources. That one doesn't want to work. This is aggregated volume, and then this is the liquidation. So essentially, what you want to do here is look for divergences. So one thing that I can see right here is you can see that spot started buying before futures, right? So that's really important to me. Before this volume picked up, spot started to buy. Now, you see spot starting to curl over here, and price hasn't curled over. And so essentially, what you have, right, on the chart is a trend to the upside and resistance. So what I want to do here, okay, so the first thing I see is I'm at a major resistance, right? Because, and I see the resistance, there's a lot of volume here, there's a volume shelf here, there's a resistance right here, right? And it just so happens that it's matching up. And I apologize, sometimes when I'm recording my screen, it everything's a little bit delayed. But you see an increase in volume, right? You see it's at a resistance. This is a nice 3-bar play. Essentially what I'm looking for here is something like this. I'm going to go up, and then like that, or I want to go back down to here. One of those two, right? And so let's go back to corner. All right, so the way I use this now is I look at this and I say, okay, spot started this trend up, spot's starting to curl over. Volume is sort of declining, and at this point, in terms of open interest, in terms of CVD, you've got a slight divergence here, right? So futures are undecided. They're not really pushing this up enough. Spot isn't buying. At this point, this has a likelihood to reject. So unless I get a trigger, I'm not going to long this. I could short it but I think there's a lot better stuff to short. This is telling me what spot is doing versus futures market. It's giving me an idea of an aggregate amount of data from different exchanges to help me figure out why this is moving up and why there's so much more trading. And essentially, what happened was, and I have no idea why, spot started buying, it starts picking up. All of a sudden, traders get happy, right? And you see 191% increase in open interest. I've got, uh, interestingly enough, Bybit still has negative uh, funding rate. And so, what I really want to look at here is, does it break? Does it break to the upside? And if it does, I want to get long. I especially want to get long if that upside break is combined with increased volume and aggression from spot, right? And so, again, how do I judge aggression from spot? CVD, cumulative volume delta. For each candle, are the market buys more buying or more selling? That's going to tell me which side is being aggressive. If I have positive volume delta, that means buyers are being aggressive. If you have buyers being aggressive and price moving up, you want to go with it. If you have buyers being aggressive and price moving down, that means smart money is sitting there absorbing all the aggression, getting their orders filled, and it's probably going to retrace and squeeze them out whichever direction they go. That's it. Simple as that. It's all free. So just play around with it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Join the Discord. There's a free section. If you join premium, there's $1,350 of the bonuses available each week. It's a no-brainer. You more than pay for your membership, even if you just hit like one of the decent bonuses in profit. And check out Bing. You can trade all this stuff on there. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.